Are you or a loved one taking more than 5 medications? Two of them are probably fighting with each other, and your doctor may not know. I'm a pharmacist, and here are three things I look for first when I'm double checking a patient's medication list. Number one, the anticholinergic stack. There's one pill for sleep, one for allergies, one for bladder. Each one are fine alone, but together they cause falls, confusion, and memory loss. The exact things families write off as maybe she's just getting older. It might actually be her medications. Number two, the same drug prescribed twice. Two blood pressure medicines in the same family, two acid reducers. The cardiologist may not have known what the primary doctor had started. So if you or a loved one see more than one specialist, the full list needs one set of eyes on it. Number three, the short-term prescription nobody stopped. Prednisone only meant for 10 days, an acid reducer started in the hospital 3 years ago, an anxiety pill for a rough season of life, still getting refilled. Every pill should have a current reason to be on the list. This isn't the work that happens in a 7-minute doctor visit. It's the work that happens between them. Follow for more tips like this.